Hello everyone and welcome to today's roundtable on investment trends for 2025. I'm Avramis Despotis and I will be guiding this open discussion with some brilliant market minds from across Central Asia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan and Mongolia. We all hear about the usual suspects, investing in gold, investing in crypto, but today I want us to go a bit deeper. Okay, so the question is simple. What is the next opportunity? Not the hype, but the next opportunity. So, Feruz, I'm going to start with you. You've been watching oil and S&P closely lately. What's happening right now, and where do you think the opportunity lies?
I think opportunity lies in commodities market and as well as in the stock market as well. Right now, we can see the declining on indexes, especially in S&P 500, the big 500 companies because of capitalization. And the reason why it's falling down is the trade war, especially between US and China. You know that the US, Donald Trump issued tariffs, import tariffs to the China products.
I think they are 145% now.
No, it's the maximum was 125%. Okay, right now it's like increased. After increasing is 125. Before it was less. China against this tariff issued a new tariff, a counter tariffs as well. It was a bit lower, around like 40 and 50%. Right now it's in a really high 85% on US products. Additionally, US issued tariff to EU, but EU suggested that they will not issue against tariff to the USA, and that's why Trump said, okay, we'll pause the tariffs for 90 days. That's why you can see the rebound on Euro stock 50, the 50 biggest companies in Eurozone, which includes 12 countries. It's up, I guess, around like 6%, and you can see that the DAX is increasing as well, and as well as another European-based indices, and S&P 500 as well. So right now, according to the statistics, as we can see, based on our history, if you see the biggest indices falling down, it's a really best opportunity to start building up your portfolio. So you have to go to the market and you have to invest, but carefully, of course, following the rules that all we know regarding the risk management and the money management. So if you have, let's say, like $1 million in your account, no need to go and rush to buy like S&P 500 contracts for $1 million all in. Yes, so you can like divide 1% first, and then second, and then 3% and 4% and all that stuff. You mentioned as well oil. I trade and I invest especially in WTI, US-based oil, and it's a crude oil. And why I invest there and what's my strategy and why I think that it's a really best opportunity to buy oil, because OPEC Plus right now they are making a new agreement that they will gain a new contract for oil mining. So they will increase their oil mining by 400,000 barrels for each country. Yeah, and that will increase the supply in the market. Demand will stay the same, but right now it's summer, so you don't use too much oil-based products, But coming to the cold seasons, let's say winter, you will start consuming more oil-based products. So if you can build your portfolio in oil right now, it's a really best opportunity, because before winter it will start increasing. And another thing is we have to mention, in every instrument in the market, you have to know the break-even point of that instrument. So you have to know the instrument better than your wife, better than yourself, better than your best friend. And in oil, if you take, so we are talking about WTI, and you have to take the US, and you have to know which state produces oil and how much does it cost to the producer to sell the oil with a zero profit, in a break-even price.
And what's that number?
And if you take into consideration 50 states, it will the numbers are going to be different. But if you take the mean, I mean the average number, it's going to be around $45.
Okay.
So $45 is the mean number and the really best support level for oil. If the price of the oil will go there, you can even double your position and start building up your own positions and portfolio on oil as well. So by mixing up by buying S&P 500 and oil, you are differentiating your own portfolio and account. Why? Because even in index, in S&P 500, you are not just buying one thing. You are buying the whole US. You are buying the whole America. You are buying the portion of 500 biggest companies in USA. By adding oil right now, it's really going to be a best opportunity because you can see the consumption is on the same level, the demand on the same level. It may be like declining a little bit, but supply is going to be increased. And we also have to know that the wars between Russia and Ukraine, Israel and Hamas are like still continuing, and that will also add a geopolitical risk. And we know that the oil likes geopolitical risk. If there is a
price goes up when we have a
we have a bad situation and supply chain problems, the price of oil will go up. Yeah, of course, of course. So I think that's why, in my opinion, the really best case scenario for S&P 500 is it will decline. Of course, we can see the trend reversal right now, but if you can see the price declining, it's like a discount in the supermarket, in the shop, in the mall. So if it's a discount, you are buying more products. Discount in financial market is when the price is going down dramatically. So right now, the discount started. Sales season started. But
are we going to move lower?
Yeah, maybe.
Probably move lower.
Yeah. So I'm expecting. That's why I'm not going all in. I'm just waiting, like taking a little bit, investing a little bit, just then waiting. If it goes down, for me it's good. I'm still waiting that it will go down. If I go to drawdown, if my drawdown will increase, that's better for me. That's really good for me.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because then I will make more profit.
Interesting points, especially around strategy and risk. That's what good traders and how they are separated from the rest. Okay, very good. Let's shift to another angle on S&P. Darren, I believe your thesis is more bearish on the S&P. Do tell us.
Yeah, today I'm gonna be on opposite side, I guess, because I have very unpopular ideas. Actually, I'm thinking like we now in the starting point of the recession and crisis, actually, 25, 27. And I guess that it will be like biggest in the last decades, and we will see like a lot of changing in the world. So my point actually builds in three main parts.
Okay.
First, maybe Buffett indicator. Warren Buffett, very famous guy,
still alive?
Still alive, and number one, investor in the world, as I think.
Definitely.
He has own indicator, Buffett indicator, which shows when the market overbought or oversold, and etc. In 2008, it was 136%. Now it shows like 208%, like double times more.
Even after the correction down?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, at the top, it was 236%.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a big number, and it shows like market oversold, and there is maybe more corrections. Second part, why I guess it will be recession is Trump policy, Trump tariffs. We see like exactly what's he doing from first his term in the president. He targeted and targets still to the China.
Yes, main target is China indeed.
Yeah. And the problem actually is that China's economy is slowing down, Europe economy is slowing down, because China need correction, almost 30 years, it was like growing by median, I don't know, 20% per year. And we will see like the more bearish mood in the market, which will affect oil, S&P 500.
So how is it going to affect oil?
500. In macroeconomics, it looks like China slowing down, economy slowing down, less demand, and that's why it will affect it.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So it will go down.
Yeah. We will go down.
Very good.
Yeah. I feel nervous. I don't know.
But why you said an opposite? Because I said the same thing. It will go down.
I mean, like, in short term, maybe it will be like some points where we'll see VTI go up or US 500 will be manipulated. But overall, I guess like in coming 2 years, it will go down.
Yeah, you didn't listen to me because I said in the beginning that trend reversal started. So trend changed it to downside.
I get it, but your last point was like you like drawdowns and you want to buy it.
Yeah,
like,
of course I will buy.
Yeah. But in my opinion, big opportunity and wealth generation will start with shorting the markets, not buying, shorting.
Yeah, but you know the term shorting. Yeah, you know the term shorting. I mean, going long for a long period of time, going short for the short period of time. Yeah, you can make money. Maybe like 1 year or 2 years back, you make money.
That's
for
a
10
very
years.
nice way of saying long and short. Yes.
No, of course.
Very good.
I mean, you know that in the market we have two types of people. We have the bears and we have the bulls. So you cannot change yourself. For okay, in an upside market I'm going to be the bull, and on a downside market I'm going to be the bear. I mean that's not a good trading strategy. You have to choose one way of trading. And for me, it's gonna be like every time that I'm going long. So I'm a bull trader, And if I have the drawdown in my accounts, that means that this year is not for me, and I'm good with that because I will start buying, but at some point it will reverse, and you don't know when it's gonna happen.
Okay, I get your point, but firstly, I think we don't need to use some words like have to. Because trading, for example, I'm asset manager. Yeah, we have more than 100 traders, professional traders from Japan, from Russia, from I don't know, worldwide, like from Germany and etc. Actually, I don't care like about investment like for 10 years or 20 years. I'm living like in this moment, like this year, second year. We can make money. We don't have to be like bearish or bullish. You can take opportunity from the long and shorts. Like it's my point of view. No. Maybe you think like how I have to do, but actually trading it's not about you have to. Sometimes you can go long, sometimes you can go short. For example, I have a lot of traders like who is trading in seconds. And I have who is trading like for years.
Wait. You are talking about the type of the trader. We have scalpers, we have intraday traders.
No. I'm not talking about it.
I mean, you are talking about
I mentioned first part for your point of view, where you say like I have to be or bearish or bullish. I say like in my point of view.
I'm either male or female, so I cannot change my
It's you. Okay?
Gender.
I'm not gonna change my mind, because you think.
Well, right, this is a very nice discussion. I really like it. So we have bulls and bears, yes. Okay, so.
Actually, I don't care. I just need to earn money.
He's clearly a bull. Okay, and
he doesn't know who he is.
No, I don't care.
You are clearly bearish now?
No. I don't care. I need just earn money from market. Yeah, I don't care. It will be bullish or bearish. I need just make money.
Okay, very good. So how shall we make money now, today? Is it down or up the trade?
I cannot give like financial advices, yeah.
We put the disclaimer.
Won't be correct from my side, but fundamentally, I'm looking for bearish positions after correction in the market. That's my point.
So basically bearish.
Short term bullish, after maybe bearish.
Okay,
We'll see.
So short term
Because
bullish.
we need to. It's life, yeah. We have like everyone has own win rate. Like some words we need to choose very very cleverly. Oh, I don't know how to say.
Carefully.
Maybe carefully. Yeah.
All right, very good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Brilliant. Okay, so Patlu,
Yes.
coming to you.
Okay, thank
What do you think? I mean, we have a bull, we have a bear, I would say. Okay, so where do you stand?
you. Yeah, and our two traders said and explained what's going on currently in world, and I think in this time, and US 30 and S&P both in drop in many points, and gold is raising in now, and for me. After the Trump raised in tariffs in other countries, and current several months in gold reached the all-time high and again. And recent gold reached $3,200 per ounce. And for me, I would buy in every drops in gold. I would buy it.
So you are clearly bullish on gold, yes?
Yes.
Every dip is an opportunity to go long.
Yeah, because I came to the USA in several months ago, and in reality in this country is very bad, and economics and it's very bad.
In the US?
Yeah, and I think this economic war is continuing in several years, and gold will rise to continue, and maybe gold will reach in $3,500 in this year, and I would buy it in every drops. Yeah.
I think there are more factors why gold is increasing, because we have the first main one was de-dollarization before, when US was sanctioning like every country who was against them, especially Russia, and then other countries and their central banks, they thought that just because of the strength of the US dollar, US can make put those countries in a big trouble. And just because of that, if you look to the chart and to the statistics, numbers of the central banks buying gold, every month they were buying like with a huge amount. And number one who was buying was the Bank of China, the China government, and then European banks as well. So that was the first step. And the second one, of course, it was the war between Russia and Ukraine. And then we had the war between Israel and Palestinians. So like every time we have something which boosts the price of the gold, and gold likes, the bad situations. And every time when you see the bad news, you can see the spikes in gold. You can see the impulsive
it's the
movements.
safe haven concept behind gold.
Yeah.
Yes. So in this time, very biggest investors in going out and other in S&P and Dow Jones and go to the gold, invest in the gold.
Okay, so
because gold is very reliable investment.
Safe haven.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's safe. It's a safe haven. All right, very good.
Sorry.
Yes,
But I still buy in the S&P 500.
you are still buying the S&P.
Don't tell this in front of this guy.
Because I don't
this is
think
now it's becoming interesting, the discussion. Yes. Okay. So let's take it a step further now. All right. So let me count the room. I have a bull here. I have a bear there. And I have a bull talking about the stock markets. Yes. Okay. Definitely. So one of the points, always when traders disagree, do you know what the disagreement is all about? It's time frame. Yes. So you can be short for maybe the next 1 year and make money, and then the market is going to go up and he will make money. So it's basically a matter of time frame. Yes. So currently you are bearish, but of course at some point the market is going to
of
go
course.
up because this is the nature of the markets. And so the good news is you can both make money being bearish and being bullish. And of course, gold is clearly bullish. So everyone is buying into it. Every correction down is an opportunity to buy.
Yeah.
So again, for me, the disagreement is a matter of time frame. It's a matter of time frame and drawdown that you are willing to take into your account, yes? Which takes us to other discussions about whether it's cash or leveraged, but let's not go there. So let me add my point of view very quickly. So currently, yes, I am bearish in the equities. Of course, I agree also with you that in the long run, it's going to go up. Okay.
Like always.
Like we are used to at least. And it's the thing that they say, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, you know. So if you change your view all the time, it becomes a bit problematic. So that's what it really means. If you are bearish, at some point the market will go down, you will make money. If you are bullish, at some point the market will go up, you will make money. But if you move too much, it might not end very well. All right. So yes, this is the conclusion basically from what I understand. And what I would like to add as an investment theme for 2025 is that the trend is now to move to thematic indices. Yes. So because traders are becoming a bit more, I don't want to buy NVIDIA, I don't want to buy this specific share. Yes, okay, so in XM you have thematic indices, you can buy the AI index, which is a basket of all the AI companies, but not only the software, but also hardware and all these nice shares, yes? So you can buy AI or you can buy blockchain and NFT index. Yes,
I think we can call them derivatives, maybe. As
yes,
well.
it's derivatives, but they have it's an index to be fair, not a derivative. It's like the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is the 500 biggest shares in the US. The thematic, the AI giants that we have as a thematic index is the biggest AI companies that are involved into the theme. So for 2025, the market drop is going to be nice for someone who is shorting, but it's also going to give an opportunity for traders to go into these thematic investments and position themselves in a more broad direction. Yes, so you can buy AI, you can buy crypto, you can buy all these things, but of course short them in the short run. Yes.
Thank you. So a lot of attention. I love
it. So this is the idea. But let's wrap up with a quick fire round. Yes. Okay. So if you had to pick one position for 2025, yes? Okay, what would it be?
Only for 25?
25, yes. I'm making it a bit hard. I'm restricting the time frame.
I guess if you are talking about the thematic indexes, it's going to be just, I guess, I will have just two positions, just to have a diversification. The first one is going to be AI, as you said, because right now it's booming. You know, every news on AI, we have the market going up. And the second one, I guess it's going to be this is going to be the altcoin season.
Okay.
So it's going to be the thematic index on cryptocurrencies, because the strategy on altcoin season, behind, is you have halving, the profit and the reward for miners are decreasing by 50%. Afterwards, price of Bitcoin is increasing. It's making new high and renewing his historical maximum. And afterwards, it's going down, then sideways. And in that moment, you will see the outflow of liquidity from cryptocurrency market, especially from Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies, to altcoins. And then altcoin season starts. So that's why, in my case, the first 70% of the altcoin season is done. So we had halving last year. Bitcoin renewed his all-time high. Now he has a new historical maximum. Afterwards, it went down. Now it's on sideways. So now we should wait for the altcoin season to be started.
Okay, so you don't see Bitcoin going up, because I hear many people that say that it's a safe haven, it's the gold, it's
No, I mean,
where everyone is going to run.
I'm just following the rules. You're waking up every morning. You wash your teeth, wash your face. But why should I go and I don't know to take a shower first? So I mean, I'm not changing the rules. So I know that historically this strategy worked, starting from 2010. So for 15 years, this strategy worked. If this year it will not work, then I will change my mind.
Uh-huh.
But it still works. So I'm doing everything based on my regression analysis and on my statistics. So it's all about numbers.
Awesome. Very good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be short. Oh,
That's a good one.
do you like it?
You will it directed by Robert
Yes,
Divided.
yes, I love that. So you've been short in
Again, short,
Yeah. So you like
in
it?
words, yes?
Yeah. I love very love idea of the AI actually. I guess
Really?
in 5 years we will see AGI and it will boom it like in all the markets, and AI sector will grow. I don't know, like I even can compare with something. That's my answer.
All right, awesome.
Okay. For me, in 2025, right?
25. What are we going to do in 25?
Maybe, yes.
So I'm long, he's short, you're sideways maybe.
I'm just waiting.
He's long gold.
How to say sideways traders? Kangaroo market, yeah. Or?
No. Kangaroo is a new term. Yes. No, we have the bulls, we have the bears, and now we have the kangaroo. But the kangaroo is because the market is going up and down like this all the time. Yes.
Yeah, for me, I would buy in gold. Yes, it's very trustful and reliable.
No, I think it should be from thematic indexes.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, I mean, thematic indices definitely is where
Okay.
to. No, I'm not talking about thematic indices. I'm talking about gold. Yes,
Okay.
I'm with you. Gold
Or
is
Nvidia, of course.
bullish. Yeah, but that's a discussion we are saying. Instead of buying Nvidia on its own,
It's
I'd
based
rather
on-
buy the thematic index that incorporates Nvidia, ADS, and all the other companies, and I thus spread my risk and don't rely on a single company to get into the AI revolution. This is the main thesis. Okay, so rounding up, we have long gold for 2025.
Long AI.
Long AI for 2025, but I guess towards the end because we are going down now, yes? And
Long AI and long crypto altcoins.
long altcoins. Okay, so I think we have concluded, and I think I will agree actually with all of you. So well done, guys. Yes, I want to be long gold. I want to be long AI.
But wait.
Except altcoins.
What?
I don't like altcoins.
What about you?
What about me? I told you.
For 2025.
long gold.
That's our ideas. Don't.
Yeah,
copy.
I'm stealing
That's
the
a
ideas.
plagiarism.
Right?
No.
When it's a good idea, you use it. Yes.
So you're not
Remember?
still you're copy trading. Yeah?
I'm That's a very good one, yes, but not yours. Because currently I'm more short biased.
You have to copy him.
So I will copy him for a while.
Yeah.
And afterwards
I will block you.
I will copy you for the long run.
No.
And I will copy you now because gold is going up. So excellent. So until next time, trade smart. Okay, and enjoy the rides that and the volatility that the market is creating, because I've actually, to do a bit of a monocle, this I've been trading for, I don't remember. Okay, I'm not going to say because you will know my age.
I
Yes?
will tell 5 years.
5 years plus another 30. That gives us a total of 35 years. And I've never seen such beautiful and big moves in the market. Yes? Okay. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's amazing. I bought gold at 30.11 when I was in Jordan, the day before yesterday, and now it's $200 up. This doesn't happen.
For gold, it's a really big move.
Before, yes, it's a huge profit. Yes, or you short US 100, it collapses. I mean, the moves are very big, and there's a lot of money to be made by following them. Whether you are short, whether you are long, the markets are there, and there's a lot of money to be made. So happy trading, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing your views.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And it's a wrap.